Hello, welcome back to Gloria's Anniversary Kitchen. This is your mommy Mobi Biara. So today we're making Sobolo, hibiscus drink or tea. So I have here my hibiscus leaves. What I'm doing now is washing it to get the dirt and that's sunny out. You have to wash it well because there's a lot of dust and then dirt. So as you can see, I'm going to wash it several times. You see the bowl? Yeah, let's wash it again and again and again. Thank you all for your love and support to this channel. I really appreciate all of your efforts and your help. Say blessings to you all. So keep washing till you see that the water or the under the bowl is really clear or clean. You see, you can still see something there. So please try and wash your Sobolo leaves or hibiscus leaves so well. Okay, so here I added hot water. I'm not going to boil it or cook it on the stove, so please keep watching. This is my pineapple. I'm using 2 pineapples, and then also the hibiscus leaves. I took 2 cups. With the water, it's up to you how you want it, whether you want it very dark, it's up to you. Our pineapple is ready. So here I have cloves, I have grains of Seling and dates. I'm not using sugar, so that's my sweetener. Yes. Add all the spices. Add some water, cold water. That's drinking water. Now we're blending all together. Then we strain it. Strain. Look. Okay. Let's blend for the second time. So now our Sobolo with the hot water is ready. So as I said, I'm not cooking it or boiling it. So we are almost done here. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, I say you are highly welcome. And please, if you like what you are watching, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like the video. Also, we have Hype. That's a new one that just came, so you can hype the video for your sister. Thank you. And all my returnees, thanks for always coming back to support your sister. I really appreciate all of you. So here I'm going to use sugar. I divided the drink into two because someone don't like the dates, so I'm using sugar for her. So you can use any sweetener of your choice. You see, we are done. Look at it. So refreshing and vibrant color of this Sobolo drink. And it was so good. So what I'm going to do now, or what I'm doing now, is I'm going to blend the dates now and add it to the half of the drink. So I just left some of the pineapple to help it to blend. That's why I added pineapple in the blend.